Want to make professional-looking videos without paying for expensive software? Good news, you can edit videos for YouTube, TikTok, or even work projects using completely free tools. Here's how to edit videos step by step using free software, even if you're just starting out. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your editing software. There are many free options out there, but here are 3 of the best. CapCut, great for mobile or desktop. Easy to learn, perfect for social media videos. DaVinci Resolve, powerful and professional. Ideal if you're editing longer YouTube videos. VN Editor, very beginner-friendly. Great for quick reels or TikToks with music and effects. Pick one that suits your style and device, all of them are free to download and use with no watermarks. Step 2. Import your footage and organize it. Before editing, create a folder for your project. Sort your files, video clips, music, sound effects, voiceover, and any images or logos. Then open your editing software and import everything into your media bin. Being organized from the start makes editing faster and easier. Step 3. Cut and arrange your clips. Start by dragging your main video clips into the timeline. Trim out any mistakes, pauses, or filler words using the cut tool, usually the scissors icon. Then arrange the clips in the order you want them to appear. This is your rough cut, the backbone of your video. Step 4. Add music, text, and visuals. Now it's time to make your video more engaging. Add background music, make sure it's copyright-free. You can find free music on YouTube Audio Library or sites like Upbeat and Pixabay. Add text where needed, titles or headlines, captions for key points, end screen or calls to action like subscribe. If your software supports it, add transitions between scenes, light effects, or animated stickers to match your brand or style. Step 5. Polish your audio. Clear audio makes a huge difference. Adjust volume levels for music and voice so they don't clash. Most free editors let you fade music in and out, reduce background noise, and even add sound effects. Tip: use headphones while editing to catch small issues. Step 6. Export your video in the right format. Once you're happy with the edit, export the video. Use 1080p resolution and MP4 format for the best balance of quality and file size. CapCut and DaVinci both let you export directly to YouTube or save to your device with custom settings. Name your file clearly so you can find it later when uploading or sharing. Bonus tip: don't try to be perfect, just improve one video at a time. Editing is a skill. Your first few videos might feel rough, but every video teaches you something. Focus on learning the basics: clean cuts, good pacing, balanced sound, clear messaging. With free software and a little practice, you'll be editing like a pro in no time. That's how you edit videos using free software, even with no experience. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your skills level up. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tips.